Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our very first edition of Sheep Market U.S.A. I'm your host, Lanny Brothers. On our very first edition of Sheep Market U.S.A., we'll be focusing on the South Central section of the United States, Missouri, Arkansas, and Texas. That'll be our focus for this week's first edition of Sheep Market U.S.A. And we start off this week's sales report in the great Lone Star State of Texas at Producers Livestock Sheep and Goat Auction in San Angelo, Texas, where they held their last sale this past April 4th. Sale receipts on that date, $5,173 the week before, $8,428 last year at this time, $8,618. Now compared to last week, slaughter lambs were firm to $10 higher, slaughter ewes 10 to 15 higher, and the feeder lambs were not well tested. As we look here at the report for the feeder sheep and lambs, it was a pretty light test in each one of these categories. The medium and large grade 1 and 2 averaged 250 to 265. Medium and large 1 and 2, 37 pounders, 254.85. 43 pounders, 240. Medium and large grade 2, the highest test class in the 44 pounders there, brought 225.98 a hundredweight. Pretty light test across the board in the slaughter sheep and lambs in the wool and shorn division. Not really a whole lot ahead there to speak of. Choice and prime, heaviest test there in the 80 pounders, bringing 220. The choice and prime grade 2 and 3 heavyweights, 169 pound averages, bringing 141.75 a hundredweight. As you see there, the choice 1 and 2 heaviest head count there at the 72 pound average, bringing 230.40. Well, as you turn the page into the hair breed section, a whole different critter when it starts looking at the numbers available in these sections. The hair breeds, choice and prime, grade 1 and 2, 46 pounders brought 251.98, 48 pounders 271, 54s brought 251.90, 64s 249.38, 75s brought 243.19, 85 pounders brought 234.68. 80 pounders, 257. The heavier 95 pounds, 225.72, and the 106s brought 225.70. A light test in the choice and prime grade 2 and 3, 133 pound averages at 175.28 a hundredweight, and there was a decent showing across the board in the choice 1 and 2, the 46 pounders bringing 231, 55 pounders 233.34, 64s 223.84, and the 72 pounders bringing 229.78, and a very light test on the 80 pounders at 220. Hair breeds, good, grade 1, 47 pounders with a rule of the day at 221.56 average a hundredweight. And as we look at the slaughter ewes, it was a pretty light turnout in each class. The heaviest classes coming in the hairbred ewes, good, 2 and 3. The 144 pound averages brought 94.46. 150 pound averages brought 109. Also a good test in the utility and good, grade 1 to 3. 123 pound averages brought 104 to 120 with an average of 109.45. And there you see the remainder of the classes in the slaughter sheep and lamb division. And that wraps up this report from Producers Livestock Sheep and Goat Auction in San Angelo, Texas, the sale report from April 4th. Don't forget they have their sale every Tuesday. Also, make sure to check the description of our YouTube page for the links to each one of the reports. And we'll have more market reports in just a moment. Here's a little sheep fluff, a fun fact about sheep that you may not know. Did you know, despite popular opinion, sheep are actually very intelligent animals? Research has shown that they can recognize the faces of up to 50 other sheep and remember them for up to 2 years. They're even able to recognize human faces. Other studies have shown that sheep are capable of remembering how to navigate very complex mazes. So despite how you may feel about them from time to time, they are very intelligent. Now we'll move on up to the natural state, to the Salem Stockyard Sheep and Goat Auction in Salem, Arkansas, where the last sale was held on April 6th. Total receipts that day, $1,763, that's sheep and goat both. Last report, $755. Now, the slaughter sheep was steady with limited comparable sales, but demand was good for all classes. In the feeder sheep and lambs, it was a fairly light test across the board. Medium and large, grade 2. 26-pounders brought an average of 223.30. 36-pounders, 250 to 255, with an average of 253.22. And the thin flesh 38-pounders brought 190. 41-pounders brought 240. Medium and large, grade 2 and 3. 43-pounders, average 261 a hundredweight. A little bit better turnout in the slaughter sheep and lambs, wool and shorn classes. Choice, grade 3, 50-pound average brought 190. 63-pounders brought 259. 63-pounders brought 259.74. Good, grade 3, 127-pounders brought 92.50 a hundredweight. Good turnout in most of the hair breed section. In the hair breeds, choice and prime, grade 2, 50-pounders brought around 240 average per hundredweight. In the hair breeds, choice and prime, grade 2 and 3, 49-pounders brought 230 to 270, average 246.03. 54-pounders, 235 to 275, 262.24 the average there. 62-pounders, 210 to 285, average 268.42. 77-pounders, 235.67, 82-pounders, 225, and a light test in the 90 weights at 205. And as we look at the slaughter ewes, it was a pretty light test in each one of the categories. The 125-pounders in the good and choice grade 3 brought 85.70. 204-pounders, 82.50. Good and choice grade 2 and 3, 90 weights, 105. 145 weights brought 90. The good and choice grade 3, 61-pound average brought 170. And in the good grade 2, it was the 55 average weights, bringing 175. And as we take a look at the replacement sheep and lambs, the hair ewes, medium and large, grade 2, less than a year old, exposed at 90-pound average, brought 130. The 1 to 2 year olds exposed at 118 pounds brought 155 average, and 2 to 4 year old opens, 108-pound average, bringing 135. Medium and large, grade 2 and 3, 2 to 4 year olds at 127-pound exposed, 190. And in the family groups, medium and large, grade 2 with 20 to 40-pound lambs. The less than year-old opens, also a light test across the board there with medium and large, grade 2 with 20 to 40-pound lambs. Less than a year-old opens brought 125 average. 1 to 2-year-old opens, 105, and 2 to 4-year-old opens, 102.50. Family groups, medium and large, grade 2 with 40 to 60-pound lambs. Light test there as well. 1 to 2-year-olds brought $100, and 2 to 4-year-olds bringing 120. And that wraps up the sale report from April 6th at Salem Stockyard Sheep and Goat Auction in Salem, Arkansas, where they hold their sale every Thursday. Now on Sheep Market U.S.A., we'll take a trip further north to the Show Me State at Producers Auction Yard Sheep and Goat Sale in Norwood, Missouri, where their past sale was held on April 8th. Total receipts for that day, $1,748. Last sale, $2,508. Last year, $1,136. Now, compared to the sale 2 weeks ago, feeder lambs sold 11 to 34 lower, slaughter lambs sold 23 to 31 lower, slaughter ewes sold steady, and there were some quality replacement sheep that were in demand. Replacement ewes sold up to $295 a head, with rams selling up to $400 and sheep families selling up to $485. As we take a look at the feeder sheep and lambs, hair lambs, small and medium, grade 1 and 2, there was a pretty decent test on that market. 25-pound averages brought 280 to 320, average of 306.74. 22-pounders brought 340, 25-pounders 360. The 35-pound class brought 260 to 310 with an average of 285.73. 46-pounders 250 to 275, average of 256.38. Slaughter sheep and lambs, a good test in that category as well. Hair breeds, choice and prime, grade 1 to 3. 55-pounders brought 245 to 280 with an average of 257.23. 62-pound brought 240 to 265, average of 256.88. 76-pounders brought 220 to 235 with an average of 230.14, and on the heavier side, the 91-pounders brought 210. Hair breeds, choice, grade 1 to 3. It was a pretty light test in that category. The 52-pound averages bringing 200 to 240, average of 225.28. 67-pounders brought 230 average, 73-pounders 210, and the 92-pounders 160 per hundredweight. Moving on to the slaughter sheep and the hair ewes, the good, grade 2 and 3, 125-pound averages, a light test there at 126.85. Utility and good, grade 1 to 3, 79-pounders brought 105. The 92-pound class, $85. 117 average brought 101.87, and the 160s brought 115. In the utility and good, grade 1 to 3, a pretty light test in that division. 76-pound averages brought 125. The 81 and 98 averages brought 80 and 85 respectively, and the 104-pound average bringing $119.97. Cullen Utility Grade 1 and 2 94-pound average brought $50 per hundredweight. Cullen Utility Grade 1 and 2 87-pounders brought $50 per head, and 94-pounders $70 per head. And we take a look now at the Hairbred Rams, the grade 1 and 2. It was a light test in that category. 128-pound averages brought 100 to 115, average price 108.28 per hundredweight. And we move on now to the replacement sheep and lambs in the hair ewes, small and medium, grade 1 to 2. It was a pretty light test in each one of those markets, as you can see there, until you get up to the 2 to 4-year-olds in the exposed and the spring lambers both. Numbers and prices do pretty good in those categories. As we look there at the number of head available in the 2 to 4-year-old exposed 112-pound class, bringing 156.26. 2 to 4-year-olds in the 126-pound class, bringing 160.22. And the 2 to 4-year-old 124-pounders bringing 287.19, and that was a very fleshy group. 4 to 6-year-olds 106-pound average brought 135. And in the family group, small and medium, grade 1 and 2 with lambs less than 20 pounds, it was a pretty light test throughout that market. The heaviest test coming in the 2 to 4-year-olds, 95-pound average, bringing 160 to 260, average price of $230.91. Also a little heavier test in the 114-pound average 2 to 4-year-olds, bringing 260 to 270, average 264.62 per unit. And the 4 to 6-year-olds, 93-pound averages, bringing 190.63. Family group, small and medium, grade 1 to 2 with 20 to 40-pound lambs. Very light test in all divisions except for the 2 to 4-year-olds, averaging 113 pounds. They brought 270 to 390 with an average price of $339.58 per unit. And that wraps up this report from April 8th at Producers Auction Yard Sheep and Goat Sale in Norwood, Missouri. And that wraps up our very first edition of Sheep Markets USA for the South Central section of the United States. If you're interested in keeping up with sheep markets, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification below so you'll be notified when we post new reports, and we'll have more reports for different sections of the United States coming up very soon. So until then, this is your host, Lanny Brothers, saying thanks for joining us at Sheep Markets USA.